Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day today. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nori and today I'm gonna be unbagging my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of December. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Thanks for hanging out today. In my channel, I do a lot of makeup tutorials, reviews, unboxings, unbaggings. I also do plus size try on hauls, and I'm also on a weight loss journey and I share everything about what I eat and what I do to lose weight. If you like any of that stuff, then definitely go ahead and subscribe. But today it's all about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, so let's go ahead and unbag it. Okay guys, so first we have this little card inside our bag, and it looks like this month's theme is Ipsy Holiday. You see the hashtag right here, Ipsy Holiday, if you want to follow that hashtag on Instagram or on social media. And yeah, this little card just gives you some kind of ideas to de-stress. But I really like the theme this year though. Pretty cute for this month. And the bag is very soft, and I think it's very appropriate, at least for where I live right now. It's freezing, it's really cold. The color I love is burgundy color, super soft, and the color, like I just said, really pretty. I honestly haven't used these bags at all for anything. The Glam Bag Plus bags. I used to use my Glam bags, the small ones with a zipper, years ago for everything. I actually even have like a few of them as wallets still. Like I'll have cards in a little one, and maybe lipsticks in another one. But these, I haven't found a use for them yet, but I think they're still cute. Maybe I will one day. Either way, it's a super cute bag. And yeah, let's go see what's inside our bag. Also, in case you didn't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service. I am subscribed to the Glam Bag Plus, which costs $25 a month. And I get 5 full-size beauty products sent to me. And I am promised a value of, I believe, $120. And there's other variations, but this is the one that I'm unbagging today in case you're new to the whole Ipsy world. So with Ipsy, you get to choose 3 out of your 5 items, but it's not like you get to choose all the way. They give you options, and then you get to choose from those options. So they first tell you, okay, this is what you get. These 2, you have to pick them, and then here's the rest, and you have options. The first thing that they gave me is so cute. I cannot wait to use this. It's the IBY Fireside Eyeshadow Palette. And according to this logo right here, it says that it's an Ipsy exclusive. I haven't heard much about IBY Beauty, but listen guys, this month I went insane with like following along with Ipsy offers and all the deals that they have like every single day. And I shopped way too much. And like getting into that world, I found a lot of like indie brands like on Instagram. So I actually found this brand doing like all my research, and I got excited. I heard positive things about them, like read online. So I'm excited to try this palette out. Let me try to get it out of the box first. First, the packaging is so pretty, and it's called the Fireside Eyeshadow Palette by IBY Beauty. According to what I read online, they have really nice like color payoff, and their palettes are really good quality. So I'm excited. I love trying out new palettes. You guys already know if you've been in my channel before. This is the palette. Oh my god, I love the packaging. And let's find out together how it looks. This is the color story. So we get 9 eyeshadows in this palette. We get a really nice mirror. I love mirrors now, and recently I've just been obsessed with smaller palettes. I used to think I wanted the huge palettes, but no. I think it's so convenient to have a palette that you can hold easily in your hand. This looks like a very neutral palette. Well, to be honest, when I'm holding it up closer to my face, it's not as light. Like, yes, you have neutral shades, but like this brown is darker in person to me. I don't know. All I want to do is play with this, the green. But then I really like the pink. Well, that's actually more like a burgundy right here. But this one is what's exciting me the most. I'm definitely gonna review this palette and create a makeup look with it. So if you guys wanna see that, subscribe and stay tuned for that. I love playing with eyeshadow. So this is this palette, and I think it's cute. The mirror says, hate hot stuff. And then here's this Fireside. I think it's cute. I feel like it's a comfortable palette to hold in your hands. And I can honestly see myself creating very nice looks with these, creating really nice looks with this palette. I actually, now looking at it up close, I think there's a nice range of colors. Yes, it's a neutral palette, but the pop of green, pink, and even like this cool toned purple grayish color down here could really be very versatile and really cool for like vacation, honestly. So I'm excited to use that. I was super stoked this month. For some reason, I think that Ipsy for me, I know not everyone feels the same way, but for me, I've been falling in love with Ipsy ever since they did like personalization in August, was it? Yes. And I joined Glam Bag Plus only in July, but right away in August, we started being able to pick items, and I've just been really loving their things. And I'm subscribed to BoxyCharm, but for some reason, I've been more excited about Ipsy because I get to choose. I think so. I think for some reason, like I look forward more to the 2nd of every month, and I wake up like, oh my God, is it time to choose yet? So I've been very surprised about that, because at first I thought BoxyCharm was a lot more exciting, but no, Ipsy has been really, really cool for me. The next thing they chose is the Wonder Beauty Skyliner Automatic Gel Eyeliner in Jet Black. And talking about being excited, this I wasn't excited about, but I just don't really need a lot of eyeliner, but it's fine. Over the last few months of trying out beauty products from Ipsy and BoxyCharm, I realized that I'm a lot more stubborn than I thought I was. So I said, I don't need that. I really do not need that. Why are they sending me this? And I end up loving it. So I'll be honest, that happened to me with many of the products that I've received. So now I try to keep an open mind. This is hard to open. Okay, so the sharpener fell. But so you get this black eyeliner and the sharpener. I'm trying to hold it. I guess I'll swatch it. Really nice. I just didn't need black eyeliner, but again, I'm gonna keep an open mind, because a lot of the things that I complained about in the last videos in the last 5-6 months, I love now, like a lot of them. So I'm definitely gonna try that. So those were the 2 items that Ipsy chose for me. Now I'm gonna get into the choices that I had, and I'll share that on the screen with you guys. I always like to compare the different choices that people had. So let's see, for my first item, I had the choice between Dominique Cosmetics Skin Gloss in Golden Dew, QMS Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream, Wonder Beauty Wondrous Brush Eyeshadow Palette, La Rousse Beauty Face Set and Eye Brush, La Rousse Beauty Brush Set, and Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in Eclectic. And I ended up choosing the Dominique Cosmetics Skin Enhancer. I just really have heard great things about this brand. The only thing that I own from them is actually like a little palette that I actually bought from Ipsy. I think it's the Sweater Weather palette. I haven't even used it yet because I've gotten so many new eyeshadow palettes. But this is so pretty. I just heard good things about them, and I've been meaning to try their products, but I just didn't want to spend money because I don't need it. I want it, but I don't need it. It says that it's a skin enhancer, but this is how it looks. Let me try it. That's how it looks. The mirror is so pretty. It says choose to shine. I like that. 2 products in my bag today have like a saying on the mirror. I think that's cool. And the packaging is just beautiful and like luxurious. I'm gonna swatch it. It's a creamy product, but I just want to see like what it's all about. I suck at swatching. Okay, see? That's a nice sheen. So I wonder if I wear this like before my powders. I'm honestly very curious about it, and I want to try it out. I just really wanted, when I saw the different brands available for that first product, this one caught my attention the most. So that's why I chose it, and I'm excited to try it out. Maybe I'll update you guys in a future video. And if you tried this before, do you like it, and how do you apply it? Please let me know in the comments if you've tried it. Okay guys, so for my second product, I had the option of the Ciate London Another Eyeshadow Cream in the shade Cupid, 111 Skin 3-Phase Anti-Blemish Booster, Hurley's Beauty Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Primer, something with a priming. And then $1 Billion Brows, 60 Seconds to Beautiful Brows Kit and Taupe. And I never choose skincare products. If you guys have been watching me, you'll be like, what? I don't know. I just went ahead and wanted to try it. This is an anti-blemish booster from 111 Skin. I've also heard great things about them, but I don't really get too interested in skincare because my skin is very, very sensitive. Very sensitive, and also I feel like I do my skincare, and when I fall in love with a specific product, I don't like to like venture out and try crazy things because my skin is sensitive. It's something that like you add to your moisturizer. This packaging, by the way, is just beautiful. And I struggle with eczema. I have eczema. I don't know if you've noticed in my hands. You've probably seen it in any of my makeup tutorials if you watched any of them. And I struggle with it extremely bad during the winter months. So sometimes my eczema will turn into almost like a breakout. And this, I know it says anti-blemish, but why not? I just want to try anything. I don't want to try anything because my skin is sensitive, but I'm willing to try some things that could improve it. So because it was an option, all the other items did not impress me at all. If there was something more impressive, maybe I wouldn't have chosen this, but I'm excited to try it out. I'm not too confident about it, but I'm gonna give it a go and see. But yeah, my skin is very dry. Thankfully this past year I've gotten down like a very good skincare routine to where now I feel like I have a good idea what to do to keep it moisturized, but I still struggle, especially in the rest, like my hands everywhere. But that's what I chose for my second product, the 111 Skin 3-Phase Anti-Blemish Booster. Okay guys, for my last product, I had the choice of the Complex Culture Finishing Powder in Translucent, Smith & Co. Nail Polish in Bitter Cashmere Daydream, Laura Makeup Labs Moods Eyeshadow and Highlighter Palette, and the Ico Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. I really loved the way that nail polish looked. I almost picked it out, but I'm honest with myself and I know I'm not gonna use it. I wash a lot of dishes, I do a lot of cleaning, and I know that like I have enough nail polish that when I need it, I use. And it was so pretty, but I'm not gonna use it. And last time I had the option of choosing this palette, the Laura Makeup Labs Moods Eyeshadow Palette, I didn't choose it because I was trying to be, I don't know, I didn't want to like over choose. I didn't want to choose too much eyeshadow and I regretted it so bad. So I chose this, and the packaging is so beautiful. I've never seen the packaging online. So this is the Moods Eyeshadow Palette by Laura Sanchez. And let's take a peek inside. It's bigger than I expected it to be for some reason. But yeah, last time I was supposed to choose this and I said, no, let's be smart and choose something different. You've probably seen this before if you watch any Ipsy videos. I know that people got it months ago. I was offered the option of it maybe like 2 months ago and I passed on it. But well, I feel like there's a little fallout already in the pans, but not too bad. I like it. These are supposed to be highlighters. I have so many highlighters, I don't need them, but I could totally use them for the inner corner. And I don't know, I like the I don't know, I like the color story. That yellow looks interesting. The green, the blue, the purple, all the colors. So I definitely will be trying this out. This brush is also interesting. Get this little brush. I like, even if I don't use it, I just really appreciate when brands include a brush, even if I don't end up using them. I don't know. Because sometimes all your brushes are dirty and you just need something to like even just blend out. But I like it. And I think that's it. So just to recap, this month I got the Laura Makeup Labs Moods Eyeshadow Palette, IBY Beauty Fireside Eyeshadow Palette, 111 Skin Anti-Blemish Booster, and Wander Beauty Gel Liner in Jet Black. I'm honestly excited about what I got. And definitely look out for these palettes. I'm gonna do a look with each of these and like a review or first impressions. And honestly guys, I got a whole lot of add-ons this month. I kind of chose a lot of that as my like Christmas shopping for myself. So if you like eyeshadow looks or I don't know, just palette videos, definitely subscribe if you haven't yet, because I have a lot of new palettes that I want to try out and I'm so excited to be playing with them. Okay guys, that's the end of my unbagging. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, definitely subscribe so that you don't miss any of my tutorials, reviews, and swatches of those palettes that I showed you, and also all the palettes that I got in my add-ons and Ipsy offers this month and last month. But thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys, see you in the next video.